suburban Nassau and Suffolk counties, and sections of New Jersey were proclaimed disaster areas. But in the heart of Manhattan, there were many who went about their usual rounds, grimly unperturbed despite the drastically abnormal conditions of the city. Despite its serious aspects, all schools shut down. The storm spelled pure delight for every youngster in the metropolitan area. Acres and acres of snow. Some 50,000 commuters were vitally affected by the decision to ban private cars from city streets, but cargoes of fuel and food entered the city unobstructed, and snow removal went forward handsomely. Despite the inconvenience, the storm caused far less damage than previous wintry onslaughts.